But let's continue to investigate. Bring your bike, bicycle friendly. Right. Bike tag. Sorry, do you know where I can find baggage services?
The ramp to your right. Michigan. You want to Michigan? Michigan, yeah.
Up the ramp. So yeah, there's a friendly peace officer with a friendly doggy sniffing around for contraband. Yeah, I guess if you're gonna smuggle any contraband, the trainways will be one method, I guess. If you were one of those mules. See, I don't see anyone here. And I'm wondering if one of these tags in question is that no, that's a transfer tag. Hola, anybody here? Well, I've made a big old circle. Please do not enter. Yeah, this is the exit only. So ticket office hours, baggage office hours are 8:30 to 8:45 p.m. All luggage must be checked in 45 minutes before departure. All right, should I go back to the lovely gal and say, yeah, well, guys, I realize everything's got to be accounted for, but, you know, like, if I booked the ticket online, they should produce like an e-ticket or an e-tag, I guess, for the bike, just like they've emailed me an e-ticket to get on the train. I would think they would be so kind to do the same thing on the old bike tag. So I'm not quite sure how the system works, because now I leave at 7:15. Now my bike hopefully will leave with me, but thirdly, 2 bags for free. Thirdly is this office, or this desk at least, does not open until 8:30. So let's go back to the lovely lady up front, and let's kind of not make her feel too bad, but let's just mention the fact that we are struggling here because we do not Sorry, I gotta be a pain this morning.
What's up?
They're closed. They don't open until 8:30. But my e-ticket actually just says, like myself and then plus one bicycle.
Okay.
So hopefully they'll just scan
you'll
that.
be good. I forgot. I usually work afternoons, so I forgot the baggage counter doesn't open until later. So since you have it on your ticket, though, you'll be good.
Yeah.
So you'll wait up here, and then when they make that announcement for the train, then
Sure. Nice. Thank
yeah,
you.
no problem.
Yeah. So So guys, we're just gonna wait for that announcement.
Amtrak reminds passengers when using stairs or escalators to hold onto handrails. Please keep your eyes on your path and limit distractions while walking through the station or on platforms. For your safety, if traveling with larger or heavier luggage, please use the elevator if available. Welcome to Amtrak's historic Union Station in Chicago. We thank you for traveling with us today. Customers traveling in coach class accommodation are invited to remain in the Great Hall waiting area until your train is announced.
Alright guys, so we're gonna wait for the big announcement. And yeah, I won't bore you with waiting because all I'm gonna do is have a little sip of coffee here. So yeah, we're gonna hasta la ciao ciao in here, guys. And all the confusion about my bike tag, it's sort of sorted out. So anyways guys, hasta la ciao ciao, bye for now. Over and out from the Great Hall at the Grand Union Station, or at the Union Station, Chicago, Illinois. Bye for now.